He heading to the mate. Shh. I living in a bunker, mate. A secret bunker because there's no toilet paper. I know they're coming for me, mate. I got no toilet paper, but they think I do. I can tell you. I told them there's far better things ahead of us, mate, than what's behind. You got to stop focusing on toilet paper. But they don't. They want my toilet paper. I got another video from this guy, mate. It's end of world. It's end of days. There's no more of this. Toilet paper is gone. A thing of the past. I can tell you. I can tell you. But this guy still sending videos, mate. Yes, little baby citadels. Beautiful. Beautiful. I like it. I like it, but I also like a toilet paper. You just got to stop sending me videos, mate. Okay, I got to protect myself. I got no toilet paper, but they think I do. I'm using shoelaces, I can tell you. But I can tell you that during end of days I've been thinking. I've been thinking about the things. I've got a secret location hiding from these people. Look at him. I can see him. I no longer trust him. He's got no toilet paper. Unwinged and naked. Sorry, surrender. I can tell you. The crown of thorns, mate. He's got none. He's got none. I can tell you. I've got none. I can see it. I can see it in the face of others who don't have any. Look at the shopping center, mate. They're fighting. They're fighting one another. I can tell you. It's not pretty. Not pretty. I can tell you. But yes, I can see that. That is pretty. That is pretty to me. What have I done to enjoy such things? We can never know. We can never know about that. But all love is deep, I can tell you. It's a deep and part of us. We like that, but I'll have no toilet paper, and I live underground now. It is a beautiful thing, but it's scary. It's scary because I live in the dark. I live in the dark where there's no light, I can tell you. A woman tried to seduce me, mate. She tried to seduce me out of the darkness, but then I realized that she was just trying to make me adopt a dog. I said, listen, this is end of days, man. There's no toilet paper. I'm not going around picking up after a dog. Not what is this, a pound? And she said, yes. It's full of rescue animals and I can adopt one. I said, no. I thought this was a date. I've got no toilet paper. I thought it would end in toilet paper. But it didn't. But at least it didn't end in a cat. I can tell you. She tried to give me one. She wouldn't take no for an answer, mate. I said, I don't want that type of cat, mate. I want one that I can eat. My father eat that now. End of times. End of times. My father was a dancing man. He liked to dance. He liked to dance, but now he can't dance. He's got no toilet paper, I can tell you. But I'm hiding because he thinks I've got toilet paper. Even my mother, she living under a bridge with no toilet paper, I can tell you. She thinks I've got a toilet paper, but I've got none. I tell her, we all got none. It's not just me in the bushman's bed. Ask Dennis for toilet paper, but she said that Dennis not got none. He not got any toilet paper either. Even when my mother she asked me for toilet paper, I have to tell her, tears are the silent language of grief, mate. Okay, none of us have got the toilet paper. Sometimes the best way to help someone is to take the toilet paper. Maybe do you know anybody we can take the toilet paper? But my mother says no, no. Dennis doesn't believe in that. He's non-violent. He's a feminine. Yeah, but I tell you, Bushmeat Pete believe in that. He's out there. He's out there fist fighting in the street. He's not winning. He's not winning, but he's out there. But that is the way now of the apocalypse. I can tell you, we all need to focus on ways to get the toilet paper. I can tell you, it is very important. We don't want to cry tears of grief. I can tell you these things. Matter not this apocalypse and end of days, matter you're not a drop in the ocean. You are like an ocean inside a whole drop of water. I can tell you. You got to think about yourself and only yourself now, matter. Selfish. Selfish times. I can tell you. I got no toilet paper. You want to be like me? I got nothing. I got nothing. I'm a woman, is a canter liquor. She leaking. She leaking canter. It's hallucinating. We're thinking she got toilet paper. I said, look at that. You got no toilet paper. You mentioned it, man. Shh. I live in the dark, like mushrooms. She's not allowed near me. I can tell you. She wanted my toilet paper, but I've got none. I tell her, I have not got a single square of toilet paper, mate. Okay? Look, I have to live with none because of what you people like. You take everything. Everything that is around you, especially toilet paper. You go for that first. I can tell you, you've been licking too many cantards, mate. But I can tell you too that it's end of days, mate. And you're allowed to do whatever you want. You want to fist fight in the street for toilet paper? You're allowed to do that. It's encouraged, mate. But I'm not sure if you're going to get the toilet paper. My father, he's at the fist fighting and he's losing. He's losing all his toilet paper. So it is a bad investment, mate.